Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel. And in this video we're going to take a look at Matic again. And Polygon, but we'll mostly focus on Matic. Matic is the main coin, of course, of the Polygon network, as I think most of you know. We'll do a full update, we'll talk about everything you need to know. Obviously the market since this morning has been quite bullish, or at least since the morning for me. You can see that Polygon actually, like it's not even doing that great in terms of total value locked. The total value locked has actually dropped down quite a lot in the last couple of months, since basically the end of July. So Polygon itself is not doing that great, but as we can see from Matic, that doesn't always matter. All right. So let's dive right into the full analysis. I must say before we start that Matic at this moment is very correlated to Bitcoin. All right, you tend to see that if Bitcoin is volatile or bullish or bearish like this, that most big altcoins like Matic, Solana, XRP tend to correlate a lot with Bitcoin, which just means that they move, that they follow Bitcoin. All right, so now you can also see with Matic that the correlation is 90 or is 85%, and it's 97% with Ethereum. So Matic itself is doing great, but most of this bullish momentum is coming from Bitcoin. So that does make it more difficult to analyze, because that means that we should actually analyze Bitcoin. All right, and then if we analyze Bitcoin, you actually know what's going to happen with Matic. But we can say some things about Matic. I mean, first of all, you can see that the open interest and the volume have gone up rapidly, basically in the entire opening of the Asia session, and now since the European markets have opened. It's been like momentum has been lost. It's still bullish. Like Matic at this moment is still bullish. But I think the main thing what we're going to see today is volatility. But for Matic, it's going to be retesting this main support level around 60 cents. That's the last bullish breakout we have seen. It also correlates very well with Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin right now has this support level around 30,300, which it is going to retest. And the result for Bitcoin and Matic is practically going to be the same, because Matic right now is very bullish, but like I said, it is starting to show some cracks in the momentum buildup. Like the momentum is decreasing a little bit. So what we'll see today is Matic will retest that level around 60 cents, I suppose. I mean, it could theoretically rally all the way up to the next price target between 65 and 67 cents, but that's not what I expect. I expect it to retest 60 cents, and if it's able to hold that until tomorrow, I think it's going to, I mean, there's no reason to assume that this bullish momentum will stop. All right, so then I would say that if Matic is able to hold that level, and if it's able to get some real momentum and support from there, it will just rally up towards 65 cents, which is the next price target, like I said, and then afterwards 67 cents. And like I said, that correlates with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin drops down towards 30,300 right now, and it's able to hold that, then it's just going to rally up to 31,400 and potentially 32,000 afterwards. All right, so I tried to customize this analysis a little bit for Matic. In the end, it will still follow Bitcoin. All right, that's the number one thing you should know. The markets are going to be volatile, and if Bitcoin is not able to hold 30,300 as a support, then Matic is not going to be able to hold 60 cents, and it's just going to drop down below. And once it breaks down below 60 cents, like if it actually closes below that level, and it retests that level, and it supports it as resistance, which is a little bit of a weird sentence, but okay. Then Matic will start falling. All right, so that is a possibility. It's very realistic. Be careful for that. Just know that it's all about that 60 cents level for now, and it's most likely that will hold, but that doesn't necessarily mean that will happen. All right. So that's my take on Matic. If you do have any questions, let me know. Apart from this, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my own trades as signals, and you gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guides. So you can actually make some profits, like with a trade, for example, we took on MC, while also becoming a better trader. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. Links will be down in the description and the pinned comment. For now, take care and bye.